About to hit the road in the tundra. Heading up to Kern River, do some fishing, and I'm all geared up. Got my lip rippers, poles all ready. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. My girlfriend Jolene has never fished before, so I'm gonna teach her how to catch them. And mom and dad are seasoned veterans, so let's get to this. We're gonna do some fishing with a Z-spoon. This is a beauty. Baby, beautiful baby. We're just gonna let them. Found myself an Arnold Palmer. Set it in the water. Mom, found myself an Arnold Palmy. Thanks, Arnold. Is that good or what? Use your pole. Use your. Pull him in, babe. Left, go left. Oh, caught your first fish. Yeah. The Kern River for me is a place like no other. A place that might seem vacuous to the mediocre, but a location needed for the departure of life's daily monotony. Kernville is where I repose my consciousness, where I take my time, and where I master the craft of fishing. The ubiquitous smoke surrounded us the whole weekend, stemming from one of California's many wildfires, giving the weekend sort of a majestic omen. This weekend was exactly what I needed, and I was glad I was able to share it with my magnanimous but effervescent girlfriend. Not all your catches are big ones. If you like what you saw, wait around for my next post. Share it with your friends. Send it to your mother. Do whatever you have to do. And I will see you next time. I wanted to give a special thanks to Brian and Kevin Friedman at Lip Rippers for taking care of me on some tackle. If you want to catch fish, check them out on Instagram. If you don't want to catch fish, then keep using worms.